price is that? This is an absolute weapon. Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG S, the beautiful, brilliant blue, 48,000 miles, full service history. Today with the live price in this car is 44,990, and the S is just everything. 510 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds, and look at it. Just an absolute powerhouse. It's a brilliant colour with a brilliant specification because it's a C63 AMG S Premium, so it's got everything from the upgraded bumpers to the wheels to the interior. And the way this car's been looked after, it's just anybody that's after a high performance car with the 44,990, you can't get much better. It'll put a massive smile on your face, and it just looks super aggressive. So to start off with, on the C63s, you get them bonnet humps on there, so you know straight away it's not just a normal C-Class coupe. You've got the full LED intelligent lighting system, you've got LED indicators, daytime running lights. With a full night package, all this is high gloss black. You've got the satin finish to the front grille, front rear parking sensors with a park assist, and as you come around the side, you'll notice that the S comes with a different style wheels, which for me are one of the best wheels you can get on the Merc C63s. The red brake calipers just behind, the V8 bi-turbo badging, black window surrounds, and the black mirror caps as well. If you look at the interior, with it being the S, you've got the S seats, which is one-piece seat with the buckets. Again, they are bucket styling, and they really do nip your kidneys. The two-tone leather, black with the ivory, fully tilt and slide panoramic roof, the larger screen media system, and then you've got things like the Burmeister sound system as well, heated seats and memory seats. Ambient lighting in the centerpiece there, ambient lighting in the door card, it's everywhere. But what a place to be in. They sound unbelievable, these cars, and they go so well. With the shape, it's the way the arches flare on the front and back. LED rear lighting system, black quad tailpipes with an F1 style rear diffuser. But like I talk about all the time, it's all good and well having a massive, high powerful car if you can't put things in the boot, if you can't get rear passengers. Well, this does all that. Automatic tailgate, use it off the key, use it off your foot. It just looks mega. And I do genuinely think that 44,990 is going to make someone very, very happy. Electric windows and mirrors down there. And then the S gives you this upgraded steering wheel with the Alcantara section here. It's more like flat bottom with a hectic sort of design to it. Twin cup holders. Obviously you have the reversing camera system there, paddle shift, sports exhaust button, stop start, and the different modes where you can go race mode, sport mode, comfort. See how it tones it down? And like I said, if you're going to use a sunroof, you can press the button and it'll close it up for you. It is a good car, this, a very good car. We will put a fresh 12 months MOT on the car. We check the tyres, the brakes and everything else before you come to collect it. But for me, I think if you're in the market and you are wanting a very nice high performance vehicle, this is it. And it's just arrived. Like all my C63s, this is an S. This is not going to hang around. The mileage is good and the spec's brilliant. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.